In this guide, we'll show you how to pay for a product using the USDT Freezing method. Select the product you're interested in and click the Purchase button. A window with payment options will appear. Select the USDT Freezing method. Tick the checkbox to confirm that you agree with the payment terms, then click Purchase. A window will open where you must enter your ULTIMA wallet address on the ULTIMA chain network for unfreezing. After 3 years, you'll be able to request your frozen ULTIMA coins back. Enter your wallet address, check the box confirming your agreement to the terms, and click Confirm Purchase. Next, a window will display a USDT TRC20 address to which you need to send your USDT tokens. Send the specified amount. Once the payment is processed, you will see a confirmation message. After that, an equivalent amount in ULTIMA coins will be frozen in your smart wallet, and it will become available for unfreezing in 3 years. Done. You've successfully paid for the license using the USDT freezing method.